Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. After a long time, we're starting learning editing with Adobe Photoshop with some new features and some old features also. Obviously, the whole Photoshop we will learn. So in today's video, we will learn that how to remove our desired area or desired part from an image. So just take an image. I have already taken an image from Google Chrome. So just click on this file and place embedded. Click on this and just take this image, whatever image you want. Okay, so you can see that the color of this image is not same. Like here it's a different color, here it's a different color, so everywhere it's a different color. It's called gradient. So here in this image, it's a gradient touchy image. So how can we remove this text? That is not actually a text, but it's written in the form of text. It's actually an image. So we will remove this from this image. How to do that? Click on this lasso tool. Select the borders of this area that you want to remove. Like this. Select this area. And now what we will do is we will just duplicate this layer, and in this layer we will rasterize this layer and just click right click on this image and click on fill. Keep this remain same, or means the opacity will remain same, color reduction will remain same, and content aware, and click on OK. So you will see that after some time we have removed our desired part or area on our image. As you just saw that we have easily removed uh, from the background without doing anything. We just click. With the several clicks we have just removed our desired part. So if you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and support me, because you know that I have come to this channel after a very long time. I was doing job, I started a job, remote job, and I am still doing that job, but you know that I didn't get support on this channel. So that's why I got demotivated and I had to take a space. But you know that I want your support, so kindly support me and subscribe to my channel and share this channel with your friends or families who are interested to learn in graphics or Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Thank you so much.